श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम नमो भगवते विराजेश्वराय। Today is the Bahula Panchami of Chaitra Masa of this Sri Sharvari Nama Samvatsaram. So on this day, this is my attempt to read out the first sarga of Adhyatma Ramayanam. Adhyatma Ramayanam is part of Brahmanda Purana, authored by Bhagavan Vedavyasa. This is a summary of spiritual summary of Ramayana. So once I asked my Guru, Swami Virajeshwara Saraswati, about the mantras. So Swami said, Saptakoti Mahamantra Buddhi Brahmanakarakaha Eka Eva Paro Mantro Rama Ityaksharadvayam. So there are 7 crores of Mahamantras that exist in the lore of Vedas and Tantras and stuff like that. But there is one mantra which stands out, Paro Mantro, which stands out clearly, is Rama, the 2 letters. Rama iti aksharadvayam. So it is a simple, straightforward mantra, Rama. Everybody can pronounce it very easily. So then, how do you know this Rama Tattva? The Valmiki Ramayana and Valmiki's Maharamayana, Yoga Vasishta. And third and most important, even though, is the Adhyatma Ramayana. So the Adhyatma Ramayana is a discussion between Goddess Parvati and Parameshwara Shiva. So Adhyatma Ramayana Mahatyam also, it says 60 slokas Mahatyam is there, which says the greatness of the work by Bhagavan Vedavyasa. So without much of further delay, we will just get into reading it. Just before that, we bow down to Dakshinamurti Swarupa, the Guru Swarupa of Shiva. Aprameya Trayatita Nirmala Jnanamurtaye Manogiram Viduraya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. By bowing down to Dakshinamurti Swarupa, Adhyatma Ramayana. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. This is the Balakanda Prathama Sarga of Adhyatma Ramayana. It is known as Sri Rama Hrudayamu, as I mentioned already. Yah Prudhvi Bhava Varanaya Bhara Varanaya Yah Prudhvi Bhara Varanaya Divijaihi Samprarthitas Chinmayaha Sanjataha Prudhvitale Ravikule Mayamanushyo Vyayaha Nischakram Hatarakshasaha Punaragat Brahmatva Madhyam Stiram Kirtim Papaharam Vidhaya Jagatam Tam Janakisham Bhaje. So Chinmayaha, of the form of Chit, pure consciousness. Yaha Prudhvi Bhara Varanaya. Prudhvi, the earth has become heavy with the Bhara of Rakshasas. Divijaihi Samprarthitan Chinmayaha, all the gods, Divijas, Divi of the space, in the space, the light giving entities of the space. Samprarthita, samprarthitaha having requested, thoroughly requested, samprabdhitah chinmayah sanjatah prudhivitale, has taken a birth on this form on the earth, ravikule, in the Vamsha of Ravi, of sun, Ikshvaku Vamsa, Maya Manushyo Vyayaha, Maya Manushyaha. Maya Manushya, everything is Maya. We will come to there. Maya Manushyo Avyayaha, Nischakram Hatarakshasaha. Without the chakra, if Vishnu he would have killed with chakra. Nischakram Hatarakshasaha, Punaragad Brahmatva Madhyam Sthiram, having killed the Rakshasa, Ravanasura, Brahmatvam Adyam Sthiram, of the original stable position of Brahmatvam, supreme reality, Brahmatvam Adyam Sthiram, Kirtim Papaharam Vidhaya Jagatam, Tam Janakisam Bhaje. Having established his Kirti, his fame on this earth, again gone to his own position, such Janaki Isam, husband of Janaki, Bhaje, I bow down. Vishwodbhavasthitilayadishu hetumekam, Mayasrayam Vigata Maya Machintya Murtim, Anandasandra Mamalam Nijabodha Rupam, Sitapatim Vidita Tattva Namami. Vishwa Utpatti Sthiti Layadishu Hetum Ekam, for the origin, Utpatti, Sthiti for the maintenance, and Laya for the transformation, for merging back. Hetum Ekam, there is only one cause of all these three. Vishwa Udbhava Sthiti Layadishu Hetum Ekam, Mayasrayam, so that whatever is the Hetu, that cause, is known as Maya. That Maya Asrayam, so the Maya is Ashrayam, where this Maya takes its stability in, Ashrayam, its existence in, or its support in. Vigata Maya Achintya Rupam, but untouched by the Maya, Achintya Rupam, incomprehensible form, Achintya Murtim. Ananda Sandra Mamalam Nijabodha Rupam. Ananda Sandram. It is not Anandam, it is a fullness of Anandam. Ananda Ghana. So when you freeze the Ananda, it will become like when you frozen water. Ananda Ghana Swarupa. Ananda Sandra Mamalam Nijabodha Rupam. A pure understanding, form of pure understanding. Sitapatim Vidita Tattvamaham Namami. Sitapati, Vidita Tattvam, who knows the reality. Tattvam is the supreme reality. Vidita Tattvam, known the Vidita Tattvam, Aham Namami. I bow down, I pray down to. Patantiye Nitya Mananya Chetasaha, Patantiye Nityam Ananya Chetasaha, Shrunvanti Chadhyatmika Sangitam Subham, Ramayanam Sarva Purana Sammatam, Nirdhuta Papa Harimeva Yantite. Patantiye, whoever studies this, Nityam Ananya Chetasaha, always without any second thought, Ananya Chetasaha, the mind is completely engrossed in it. Shrunvanticha, or listens to it. Adhyatmika Sangitam Subham, of spiritual nature. Adhyatmika Sangitam. Atma is pertaining to something beyond body and mind. Adhyatmika Sangitam Subham. Ramayanam Sarva Purana Sammatam, of all the past Puranas Sammatam, of that opinion which gives here. Nirdhuta Papa Harimeva Yantite, having cleansed all the sins, reaches to the Hari. Harim Eva Yanti Te. So who reads this? Te, those people. Harim Eva Yanti, reach the Hari alone. Adhyatma Ramayanam Eva Nityam Patedya Iched Bhavabandha Muktim Gavam Sahasrayuta Kotidanat ఫలం లభేత్యః శృణుయాత్ స నిత్యం. ఆధ్యాత్మ రామాయణం, దిస్ ఆధ్యాత్మ రామాయణం ఏవ నిత్యం పఠేత్యదిచ్చేత్ భవబంధముక్తిం. సో ద ఫైనల్ గోల్ is bhava bandha mukti. Bhava is the repeated births and deaths cycle, the world view, which continuously goes around in the cycles. Bandha is the attachment or that which binds us with this continuous temporary repeating nature. Mukti is the release from here. For that reason, one who studies this Adhyatma Ramayanameva Gavam Sahasrayuta Koti Danat, Sahasra Ayuta Koti Gavam, that many count, Sahasra Ayuta Koti. So it is infinite, 1000 Ayutas of crores. Gavam, cows, Danat. So whatever is the merit which comes by giving away so many cows. Phalam labhedhyah, such a phalam comes with this. Shruniyat sanityam, even hearing, listening to it nityam always. Pura girisambhuta Sriramarnava sangata Adhyatma Rama Gangeyam Punati Bhuvanatrayam. Pura girisambhuta, which has started on the Giri. Giri is Kailasa. So this Adhyatma Ramayana has been taught by Shiva to Parvati. Sri Ramarnava Sangata, which reaches the Arnava, the ocean of Sri Rama. So it merges into the Sri Ramarnava Sangata. So a river which is starting in the Kailasa mount and goes into the Ramarnavam. Adhyatma Rama Gangeyam. This Ganga is known as Adhyatma Ramayana, Adhyatma Rama Gangeyam, Punati Bhuvanatrayam. It has the ability to purify all the three worlds. Kailasagre kadachid ravisata vimale mandire ratnapithe samvishtham dhyananishtam trinayana samabhavam bhayam సేవితం సిద్ధసంఘై దేవి వామాంగ సంస్థ గిరివరతనయ పార్వతీ భక్తినమ్ర ప్రాహేదం దేవమీశం సకల మలహరం వాక్యం ఆనందకందం. సో once upon a time, at one time on the Kailasa, kadachit ravisata vimale, so hundreds of suns, the brightness of hundreds of suns. Mandire Ratnapithe, sitting on a Ratnapitha in a Mandira, Samvishtam Dhyananishtam, sitting in the Dhyananishta, Trinayanam Abhayam, of having three eyes, who is the Abhayam, who is the fearlessness for the whole world. Sevitam Siddhasanghai, so the whole description of Shiva has been given. So Parvati is asking him, Anandakandam, who is fully in his bliss of dhyana, he has been inquired by Parvati. Parvatyuvacha, Parvati is asking, Namostu te deva jagannivasa sarvatma druktvam parameshwarosi pruchhami tattvam purushottamasya sanatanam tvam cha sanatanosi. So Parvati is asking, Namostute Deva Jagannivasa. So, O Deva Jagannivasa. So all the world where it lives in, such Deva. Namostute Deva Jagannivasa. Sarvatma Drik. And also he lives in every Atma. Sarvatma Drik, who sees, who observes every Atma. Tvam Parameshwarosi. So you have been the Parameshwara, Supreme Lord. Pruchhami tattvam purushottamasya. I am asking you for the tattvam, the essential nature of Purushottama. Sanatanam tvamcha sanatanopi. So Purushottama is Sanatana. You are also a Sanatana. So I am asking you for the tattvam of Sanatana, of Purushottama. Gopyam yadatyanta mananyavachyam vadanti bhakteshu mahanubhavaha tadapyahoham tavadeva bhakta Priyosi me tvam vadayattu prishtam. So Gopyam, which is a secret. So the Hridayam or the Tattvam is always secret. Secret because it cannot be told, it cannot be understood by anybody else to anybody else. So it is Gopyam Yadatyantam Ananyavacham. Ananyavacham. Somebody cannot tell to somebody else. Ananyavacham. Vadanti Bhakteshu Mahanubhava. Only for the Bhaktas, Mahanubhavas will teach. Means a guru will teach to a student when guru feels the student is ready. Tadapyahoham tavadeva bhakta. You are such a great guru, Deva, you are a god, I am a bhakta. Priyosi me tvam. I am also loved by you. Priya, I am also liked by you. Priyosi me tvam vadayattu prishtam. So why don't you instruct me? Why don't you teach me about this, what I am asking for? Jnanam savijnanam athanubhakti vairagyayuktancha mitam vibhasvat janamyaham yoshidapittvaduktam yatha tatha bruhi tarantiyena. So jnanam, the knowledge, savijnanam, along with the wisdom, the internal meaning, variously deriving meaning out of it. Tadha anubhakti, along with the devotion. Vairagya yuktam, also with dispassion. Vairagya yuktam cha mitam subhavat. Janamyaham, janami aham yoshidapittvaduktam. Even though I am asking you as a woman to you, Taduktam yatha tatha bruhitarantiyena. So I am willing to learn. You have to, which will deliver me from my confusions. Tarantiyena, tarantiyena. Pruchhami chanyascha param rahasyam tadeva chagre vada varijaksha Sri Ramachandre khilaloka sare bhaktir dhrudha naur bhavati prasiddha. So the bhakti to the Ramachandra is the nauka, is the ship, boat to cross. Naur bhavati prasiddha. Bhaktir dhrudha naur bhavati prasiddha. It is the samsara sagara of this bhavasagara, which can deliver you to the other dimension, is the Sri Ramachandre Akhila Lokasare Bhaktir Dhruda Naur Bhavati Prasiddha. Bhakti Prasiddha Bhavamokshanaya Nanyat Tatah Sadhanamasti Kinchat Tathapi Hrutsamsaya Bandhanam Me Vibhettumarhas Syamalokti Bhistvam Amala Uktibhihi Tvam Amala Uktibhihi, by your purifying words. Hrut samsaya bandhanam me. I have few doubts in my heart. Hrut samsaya bandhanam me. So those towards the bhakti of Sri Ramachandra, towards the devotion to Ramachandra, I have few doubts in me. So you please, this is the pariprashna. So several times how one should approach a guru. So now Parvati, the divine mother, is approaching the divine father Ishvara with these questions. Vadanti Ramam paramekamadyam nirasta mayaguna sampravaham bhajanti chaharnisa mapramattaha parampadam yanti tadhaiva siddhaha. Those siddhas who have accomplished Vadanti Ramam paramekamadyam. They say that Rama is param ekam adyam. He is one, he is adyam, he is the beginning. Nirasta mayaguna sampravaham. E mayagunas will not touch him. Bhajanti chaharnisam apramattaha. They continue to apramattaha, without any lenient thought. Pramatta, pramada, without pramada, without any defect. Always bhajanti. Cha aharnisam apramattaha. Day and night they do the worship of this God. Vadanti kechit paramopi ramaha. Swavidyaya samruta vatmasanyam. Janati natmanamatah parena. Sambhodito veda paratma tattvam. So such Parabrahma, great, and also said in Yoga Vasishta, he is the greatest Atma Swarupa, realized, he is realized much before he has gone out everywhere. Yadis majanati kuto vilapaha sitakrute anena kratah parena sitakrutenena kratah parena janati naivam yadikena sevyaha samohi sarvairapi jivajataihi. So he also cried, wept like a normal person when he has lost Sita. So what is the difference then with everybody else? Jivajataya, all the Jivas, Sarvairapi Jivajataya, all other beings are also taken by this pleasure and pain, and when pain comes, he also taken into this pain. Atrotram kim vidittam bhavadbhihi tadbrutame samsaya khedi vakyam. So atra, so now uttaram kim viditam bhavadbhihi, by you know the answer for this. Tad brutame samsaya khedi vakyam. So why don't you come and clear my doubt? So this is what 15 slokas we have completed of this first sarga of Adhyatma Ramayana. So Parvati Devi has done a pariprashna. So I have a desire to be devoted to Purushottama, Sri Ramachandra. I have doubts in my heart. I am ready to learn from you. You know the Tattva, Sanatana Tattva, because you are a Sanatana. So you give me the answer. So this is the question which starts the whole of Adhyatma Ramayana. So Sri Mahadeva Uvacha, Mahadeva is started to talk. So a pariprashna will make a great saint, sage, come out of his mauna and speak. Dhanyasi bhaktasi paratmanastvam yajñātumiccā tavarāma tattvam purāna kenāpyabhichoditoham vaktum rahasyam paramam nigūಢam. Dhanyasi bhaktasi paratmanastvam yajñātumiccā tavarāma tattvam. So you have become dhanya, accomplished. He is telling to Parvati, bhaktasi, you have become a bhakta. Paratmanastvam yad jñātumiccā tava Rama tattvam. Even to know this, get this desire to know the Rama tattva, you became a dhanya. So you have become a great devotee by just wanting to know this Rama tattva, you became a devotee. So my love to you has increased now. So this Paramam Rahasyam, so is it not there earlier? It is infinite. Infinite goes to further infinites. It has gone into further higher infinite from a lower infinite probably. There is no lower and higher there. So I will tell you. This is Nigūಢam, very difficult to understand, even though Nigūಢam, Gūಢam is very tough to understand. It is not that secret. It is tough to understand. Tvayadya bhaktya parinoditoham vakshye namaskritya raghuttamante Ramaha paratma prakrutyer anadi ananda ekaha purushottamohi. So Ramaha paratma prakruteha anadhi. So Rama is paratma, paramatma. Prakruteha anadi. So he is anadi without, he is beyond prakriti, he is without a beginning. Ananda ekaha, he is also blissful, one purushottamohi. Swamayaya kratsnamidam hi sruštva, on his own volition of a divine potency known as Maya. Kritsnam idam, all this Kritsnam, everything, Kritsnam is whole of it, without anything left. Idam hi sruštva, nabho vadantar bahi rasthito yaha. Nabho vad, like space, antar bahi astito yaha. He is inside and out of everything. So, nabhovad antarbahirastito yaha sarvantarasthopi nigudatma. Sarvantarasthopi. He is there in everywhere, everybody's heart. Nigudatma, invisible, not easily known. Atma, such self, Atma, Swamayaya Srushtamidam Vichaste. On his own volition, he differentiated Srushtam Idam Vichaste. So he differentiated subjects and objects are like space which is undivisible, but space divides all the objects. So he is Prushtamidam Vichaste. Jaganti Nityam Parito Brahmanti Yat Sannidhau Chumbakalohavadbhihi Yetanna Jananti Vimudhachittaha Swavidyaya Samvruta Manasaye. So, iron piece, it gets attracted to a magnet. By the magnet's power, a metal piece of iron piece will get attracted. In the same way, the world also getting attracted to this Atma. By that power only it is going around. By that power of Supreme Lord alone it is going. Paribhramanti, parito bhramanti, jaganti nityam parito bhramanti, yat sannidhau chumbakalohavadbhihi. Like in the proximity of the magnet, how the like if you take the sun and earth, in the proximity, in the presence of sun, earth goes around it. So that magnetism, that attractive power, by that power only this is all is standing, but we will not be able to recognize it so easily. Swavidyaya, our own ignorance, by one's own ignorance, don't see the power. Swa avidyaya samvruta manasa ye. Samvruta manasa ye. So those people on their own avidya, covering their knowledge, they will not be able to see this, the central power which is making everything run. Swajnanamapyatmani shuddhabuddhe swaropayantiha nirastamaye samsaramevanu saranti te vai samsarame va anusaranti te vai putradi saktaha purukarma yuktaha. So on this not seeing the Atma Tattva, which is like space, which is inside and out, which cannot be seen, whose power is running the whole thing, that Maya, unable to recognize this power, is known as Maya. So with that, Swaropahantiha nirastamaye. So they only aropayanti, they only superimpose their defect of ajnana on the space, on this Atma of this thing, and they keep going in the samsara, in the loop of this samsara of birth and death. Purukarma yukta putradi saktaha, they will be attracted to the sons, wives, everything as attachments, and they go around in the loop. Jananti naivam hrudaye sthitam vai Chamikaram kanthagatam yathajnyaha yatha prakaso natu vidyate ravau jyotisvabhave parameshware tatha vishuddha vijnana ghane raghuttame avidyagadam syat paratah paratmani. So as somebody who forgets he is wearing the necklace and searching for it, how they don't know that it is here? Kantaghatam yadhajnyaha, ajna. So the nature of ignorance is something like one's own necklace is not sensed and they think that it has been lost and searching for it. Yadha prakaso natu vidyate ravau. So they are not able to see the sun being covered by a cloud and thinking that sun is not bright enough to show it to ourselves. Jyotis swabhave parameshware tha तथा विशुद्ध विज्ञान घने रघुत्तमे. So such a pure Vijnana Ghana, who is pure samvit, pure nature of knowledge and wisdom, people superimpose their ajnana on him. Avidya kadham syat paratah paratmane. Otherwise, how any ignorance be there in this Paramatma of Raghuttama, of God? Yadha hi chakshya prabhramata gruhadhikam विनष्टदृष्टेर भ्रमतीव दृश्यते तथैव देहेन्द्रिय कर्तुरात्मनः कृतं परेध्यस्य जनो विमुह्यति. One who has taken a big round of spinning himself, and after standing he will see everything else is spinning on the opposite direction. Like that, because people are going around in this, they see that everything going around. So they say that all the houses are going around. Vinashta drushte bhramativa drusyate. Tathaiva dehendriya karturatmanaha. Those people who are attached to the deha and indriyas alone and considering that only as the knowledge, krutam paredhyasya jano vimahyati. So by the defects of them, they get confused about the supreme tattva, which is like space. Vimuhyati. नाहो न रात्रि सवितुर्यथा भवेत् प्रकाश रूपाप्यविभ्य व्यभिचारितः क्वचित् ज्ञानं तथा ज्ञानमिदं द्वयं हरौ रामे कथं स्थास्यति शुद्धचिद्घने. Yes, there is no day and light for the sun himself. Sun always shines. So there is no day and night for him. There is no duality in him. Naho naratrihi savituryatha bhavet. Savit, the great God sun, has no ahaha, no ratri, no day and no night. Prakasha rupa vyabhicharetah kvachit. Without any defect, continuously he shines. Jnanam tatha ajnana midam dvayam harau. How the knowledge and ignorance be in the Paratma. Rame kadham sthasyati suddhachit ghane. Rama is a pure chit, pure consciousness. Always is pure. In that there is no possibility of jnana and ajnana. So this duality is not possible. Tasmat paranandamaye raghuttame vijnana rupe hina vidyate tamaha ajnana sakshinyaravinda mayasrayatvan nahi moha karanam. So he is concluding this piece of discussion, okay, Shiva. What he is saying, Tasmat, that's why, by this logic, by this argument, Paranandamaye Raghuttame, ever blissful Raghuttama, Vijnana Rupe hina vidyate tamaha. He is ever pure wisdom. There is nothing called ignorance. Tamaha, darkness. He is always light. There is no darkness in him. Ajnana sakshinyaravinda. So, he is only a witness to this ajnana. Ajnana sakshi. Aravindalochane, oh great-eyed lady, he is addressing his own wife. Aravindalochane, mayasrayatvan nahi moha karanam. So only taking into this shadow of the maya, under the chaya of the, that is the moha karanam. That is only the delusion, that is only the confusion, that is the cause of all the confusions and delusions. So he is starting the next topic, he is continuing. So this is 24th sloka. So in this about 15 to 24th sloka, he has established the highest truth with examples of space, sunlight, magnet and this thing, all those different examples. Now he says, Atrate kathayishyami rahasyam api durlabham Sita Rama Marutsunu Samvadam Moksha Sadhanam. Now Shiva is giving one akhyayika, one narration which has happened sometime between Sita, Rama, Marutsunu, Hanuman. Samvadam, a discussion, a talk which has happened between these three people, which is Moksha Sadhanam. So Shiva is taking a narration which has happened earlier sometime. Pura Ramayane Ramo Ravanam Devakantakam Hatvarane Ranaslaghi Saputra Balavahanam. So Pura Ramayane Ramo, again Ramayana stories. Once upon a time in Ramayana, Rama, Ravanam, Devakantakam, who is become a Kantakam, a throne in the for the gods. Hatva Rane Ranaslaghi Saputra Balavanaham. So by killing with sons and his all the Parivara, killing the Ravana, Sitaya Saha Sugriva Lakshmana Abhyam Samanvitaha Ayodhya Magamadhramo Hanumat Pramukhair Vrataha. So he came back to Ayodhya along with Hanumat Pramukhas Abhishekta Parivruto Vasishthadyir Mahatmabhihi, having coronated Abhisheka and the current Abhishekta Parivruto Vasishtadvair Mahatmabhihi Simhasane Samasinaha Koti Surya Samaprabhaha, having sit on his Simhasana with crores of suns of brightness. Drashtva tada Hanumantam Pranjalim Protasthitam. He has seen the Hanumanta with Pranjalim, having folded hands, Puratahastitam, in front of him. Krutakaryam Nirakangsham Jnanapeksham Mahamatim. Hanuman at that time, Krutakaryam, he has done, completed all his activities. Krutakaryam Nirakangsham, having no desires, akanksha's in this world. Jnanapeksham, only looking for the knowledge, wisdom. Jnanapeksham, that is the only apeksha he has. Mahamatim, who is very well learned, known all the Vedas, Shastras, he learnt Vedas from Sun himself. Such a person, Hanuman, is sitting in front of him with Kruta Anjali, but with Ingita, it is called, he has not asked anything. Rama looked at him, he understood he is looking for the Jnana. Ramaha Sitamu Vachedam Bruhitatvam Hanumate Nishkalmashoyam Jnanasya Patram Nau Nitya Bhaktiman. So Rama is asking Sita, sitting next to him, Ramaha Sitam Vachedam Bruhitatvam Hanumate. Why don't you teach philosophy, Tattvam, the supreme truth, to Hanuman? Nishkalmasho ayam jnanasya patram now nitya bhaktiman. He has been always devoted to us. He is also ready to take the jnana. Nishkalmasha, he is not having any defects. Kalmashas are not there. You teach. Tadheti janaki praha tattvam ramasya nischitam. Hanumate prapannaya Sita loka vimohini. Sita loka vimohini. So who can delude the whole world? The Sita. Sita loka vimohini. Prapannaya Hanumate Ramasya tattvam nischitam praha. So she told Rama's tattva to Hanuman. So these are the two slokas which maybe a decade back I have put it on my statuses on Facebook, etc. Ramam vidhi param brahma satchidanandamadmayam sarvopadhi vinirmuktam sattamatramagocharam anandam nirmalam shantam nirvikaram niranjanam sarvavyapinamatmanam swaprakashamakalmasham. 32 and 33 slokas of Sita's words of Rama. Ramam vidhi param brahma. Know Rama as Supreme Brahma, Supreme Brahman, Supreme Source of everything, Brahat Brahman, Sat Chit Ananda Vigraham, Sat Chit Ananda Vigraham, known as Satchidananda. Madvayam Sarvopadhi Vinirmuktam, who is free from all upadhis. What are upadhis? Dhi is mind. Mind can catch the forms and names. So forms, upadhi, body, mind, intellect, all these are the forms and they have their names. They can conceptualize. They are the they create concepts. Sarva upadhi vinirmuktam, who is free from all these upadhis. No body, no mind, no intellect, no indriyas, no sense organs, no nothing, no concepts, no logic, nothing. Sarvopadhi vinirmuktam satta matram agocharam. Satta matram, pure existence, the base of existence. If anything has to exist, that is what is Rama. Know that. Anandam nirmalam shantam, he is blissful, always in the bliss. Nirmalam, never touched by the mala, never touched by any defects. Nirmalam shantam. Shanta is something, a peaceful state before all the activity, after all the activity. Means none of the activity affects such Shantam. That is what Shantam. Nirvikaram, Niranjanam, non-transforming, no vikara, no transformations. Niranjanam, not touched by any defects, any malas. Sarvavyapinam atmanam swaprakasam akalmasham. Vyapi, he is available everywhere. Sarvavyapinam atmanam. Like space only. Again, we can go back to the example of space. It is everywhere. Sarvavyapinam atmanam swaprakasam akalmasham. Own brightness. Swaprakasam akalmasham. Kalmasham is not there. Then Sita is telling, Mam vidhi, know me as. Mam vidhi moola prakrutim sargastityantakaarinim tasya sannidhi matrena srujami damatandrita. Know me as the moola prakruti, root of all the creation, action. Moola prakruti. Sargastityantakaarinim. I will bring out everything, I will keep them, I will antakarini, I will merge them back also. I am only doing all the three activities. Tasya sannidhi matrena. In his presence I do all these things. Tasya sannidhi matrena sujami atandrita. I do all these activities in his presence. Tat sannidhyan maya srushtam tasminnaropyate abudhaihi. Because I am in that sannidhya, I am that proximity to him, people attribute all these actions to him. This is an important statement. Tat sannidhyam maya srushtam tasmin aropyate budhaihi. Ayodhya nagare janma Raghuvamse ati nirmale. Having born in Ayodhya, in the Raghuvamsa of very pure lineage, Vishwamitra sahayatvam, going with Vishwamitra for the Makha Samrakshanam Tataha, Ahalya Sapasamanam, Chapa Bhango Maheshitu, of going with Vishwamitra, protecting his Makham, his Yajna, and Ahalya Sapasamanam, while walking again, Sapa removal of Ahalya and Chapa Bhango, breaking the Chapa, the bow of Maheshutu, Maheshwara's this villu, the bow, Mat Panigrahanam, holding my hand, Paschad Bhargava Madakshayaha, Bhargava Mada, so meeting the Parshurama and his pride, removing his pride, Madakshayaha, Ayodhya Nagare Vaso Maya Dvadasa Varshikaha, staying in Ayodhya for 12 years with me. Dandakaranya Gamanam Viradhavadhaye Vacha, then going to Dandakaranya, Viradhavadha, Maya Maricha Maranam, Maya Sita Hrutistadha, of a killing the Maya Maricha, remove the Hrutam, abduction of the Maya Sita, Jatayusho Mokshalabhaha, burning the Jatayusha to give the moksha to Jatayu, Kabandhasya Tadhaivacha, burning Kabandha to remove his sapa, Sabarya Pujanam Paschat, having worshipped by Sabari in the Pampatira, Paschat Sugrivena Samagataha, meeting Sugriva, Valinascha Vadha Paschat, Sitan Veshaname killing of Vali and Anveshana of Sita, Setu Bandhascha Jaladhau, building the Setu, building the bridge between on the Jaladhi, on the ocean, Lanka Yascha Nirodhanam, going to Lanka and conquering Lanka, Ravanasya Vadho Yuddhe, killing Ravana, Saputrasya Duratmanaha, Duratma of bad intentions, Ravanas, Vadha, Yuddhe with Putras, Saputrasya, along with sons. Vibhishane Rajyadanam Pushpakena Maya Saha, Ayodhya Gamanam Paschad Rajye Ramabhishechanam. So, Vibhishana, giving the Rajya to Vibhishana, going in Pushpaka along with me to Ayodhya Nagara, Paschad Rajye Ramabhishechanam, Yeva Madini Karmani, Mayaivacharithanyapi Aropayanti Rameswin Nirvikare Khilatmani. All these actions are done by me. That is what Sita Devi is assuring. ఏవమాదీని కర్మాణి మయైవాచరితాన్యపి ఆరోపయంతి రామేస్మిన్ నిర్వికారేఖిలాత్మని. All these things are attributed to Rama because my proximity with him. He is not engaged in any of these activities. Ramo na gacchati na tisthati na anusochatyakankshate tyajati na karoti kinchit anandamurtirachala parinamahino maya gunanugato hi tatha vibhati. So she declares finally, Ramo na gacchati, he will not go anywhere. So if he not go anywhere, natyasthati is not sitting in one place also. Nanu sochati, na kankshate, he will not worry about anything. Na kankshate, he will not desire anything. Natyajati, he will not give up anything. Na karoti kinchat. Ananda murti hi achalaha. His murti is a bliss personified. Achalaha parinamahino, no transformations in him. Maya gunanugato hi tatha vibhati. Because of the Maya gunas, he is giving ashraya to those Maya gunas. He looks like that, all those things having done. So with this, Sita's teaching to Hanuman is complete. 43rd sloka. Now actually this is probably the most difficult part of spirituality in spiritual teachings, and also it's very easy to understand. This is Rama's teaching himself about the Rama Tattva to Hanuman. Tato Ramaha swayam prahaha hanumantam upasthitam shrunu tattvam pravakshyami hyatmanatma paratmanam. So Tato Ramaha, then Rama himself became very interested to teach about some subject of philosophy, some subject of spirituality. He took up a subject called Srunu Tattvam Pravakshyami. Hanuman, listen to me, I am going to teach you something. Atma, Anatma, Paratmanam. I will teach you about Atma, Anatma. What is Atma, what is Anatma, what is Paratma? There are three Atmas, so Atma is known, people think that it is individual being. Paratma, Paramatma, there is some supreme being. Anatma, which is not having soul, like Jada Padarthas, phone, table, etc. What these three are? Then he takes again the space example. Akasasya yatha bhedat trivido drusyate mahan jalasaye mahakasha tad avicchinna eva hi pratibimbakyam aparam drusyate trividham nabhaha. Probably if this one sloka is understood, I think whole of that spirituality is understood. Akasasya yatha bhedah trividho vidyate drusyate mahan. So how space is seen in three different forms. How jalasaye mahakasaha tad avachinna eva hi. So in a jalasaya, in a tank of water, so it looks like tank being one space, tank space. Jalasaye mahakasaha tad avachinna eva hi. There is one space which is holding everything. There is another space which is covered by this jalasaya or this tank or the pond, we can say. Jalasaye mahakasha tad avachinna eva hi pratibimbakyam aparam. So there is a reflected akasha. In this water, there is one more space which is that outside space is reflecting in this space as another third space in the waters of this jalasaya. Drusyate trividham nabhaha. So Rama is trying to tell space seem to have three different distinctions by enclosed by a tank or a pond, outside of the pond or which is encompassing the pond, and also what is reflecting on the pond. Buddhyavachinna chaitanyamekam purnamathāparam abhāsastvaparam bimbabhūtamevam tridhā chitihi. So he draws a parallel between this akasa and chit or the consciousness. Buddhyavachinna, by intellect there is one, let us consider intellect being the water pond. Buddhyavachinna chaitanyamekam purnamathāparam. So there is a intellect which is coming and acting like a pond, and the chitta which is encompassing all this intellect, everything is purnam. Abhasastvaparam bimbaha. So there is something of this chit reflecting in that intellect also. So there are chit also is divided into this, or appears to be three shapes, three forms. సాభాస బుద్ధే కర్తృత్వం అవిచ్ఛిన్నే వికారిణి సాక్షిణ్యారోప్యతే భ్రాంత్యా జీవత్వం చ తథాబుధైః. Now this reflection assumes itself to be different from the original and assumes it to be an individual jiva, individual consciousness. Sabhasa buddhye, abhasa, this reflection, abhasa which has happened, kartrutvam avichinne vikarini, it takes up the doership on itself. It takes up the kartrutvam of bhoktrutvam. So I am doing, I am consuming, it assumes on itself avichinne avikarani. Actually the chit cannot be split, cannot be transformed, but it thinks that there is one split which has happened, there is one transformation of reflection which has happened. This both happenings thinking aropyate bhrantya, by the bhranti, jivatvancha tataha abudhaihe. One who has no discriminative intelligence, not able to understand the nature of the original space or chit, which is cannot be divided at any given point in time, assumes to be divided by the intellect and assumes to be reflected by an individual and gives up a name called jiva. ఆభాసస్తు మృషా బుద్ధిర్ అవిద్యాకార్యముచ్యతే అవిచ్ఛిన్నంతు తద్బ్రహ్మ విచ్ఛేదస్తు వికల్పతః. So once this abhasa is agreed to be truth, then all the buddhi avidya karyam, so all the karyas, all the actions will spring forth from there. So abhasa is always temporary, always midhya. It is not true, it is only a reflection, it is not the reality, but on the reflection all the focus goes. Tad Brahma, so the focus is lost now from the original infinite chit, it has now centered into this individual. Avicchinnasya purnena ekatvam pratipadyate tattvamasyaadi vakyaischa sabhasasyahamastatha. So all the karyas will start, so all right from creation to merger, everything, cycles of samsara are come only because of abhasa, considering a jivatvam in it. So what will happen? Avacchinnasya purnena ekatvam pratipadyate tattvamasyaadi vakyaischa sabhasatyahamastatha. So having heard from a Sadguru the Sat Tattvamasi, you are that alone, you are only a reflection of that alone, having heard that from a Sadguru's bodha, then avidya will thin itself and lets you to see the real jnana. Aikyajnanam yadotpannam mahavakyana chatmanoho tadavidya swakaraischa nasyatyeva nasamsayaha. Having thinned a bit, Aikyajnanam yadotpannam. So one realizes the oneness, Aikyajnanam, oneness, unity, unification, unified knowledge, yadotpannam, when it arises, mahavakyena chatmano, in own self, by the help of that mahavakya taught by the Guru. Once it comes in, tada avidya swakaryaischa, the avidya which is there, the mola, ignorance which has been there, which is the cause of this jiva, nasyatyeva nasamsayaha, it will be demolished, it will get destroyed on its own, beyond all doubts. Yatad vijñāya madbhakto madbhāvāyopapadyate. Having known this, my devotee will merge in my bhava. Madbhakti vimukhanam hi shastragarteshu muhyatam. Na jnanam na cha mokshaha syatyesham janma satairapi. This is another very interesting, important statement made by the Rama, Parabrahma himself, says, Etad vijnaya madbhakto, having known this, one who has the bhakti in me, madhavayopapadyate, he will merge in my bhava, my own madhava. Same thing Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita also. Yeah, upapadyate, he will merge into the my bhava alone. Madbhakti vimukhanam hi, one who is not interested in the devotion, Shastra garteshu muhyatam, he will fall into the ditches of philosophy. Shastra garteshu. Shastras, these all Shastras, they become very difficult to understand for those who has no devotion. Mad bhakti vimukhanam hi Shastra garteshu muhyatam. Na jnanam na cha mokshaha syatyesham janmasatairapi. So those people who are only interested in this intellectual gymnastics of trying to debate about the Shastras without devotion or practice, devotional practice or realization towards the my bhava, they will continue to roam around in this whole valleys of Shastras, Shastra garteshu, muhyatam, they will be deluded in those Shastra gartas. Na jnanam, they will not get knowledge. Na mokshaha, if na jnanam is there, there is no release also. Na mokshaha syat tesham janma satairapi, even after hundreds of janmas. Idam rahasyam hrudayam mamatmano mayaiva sakshat kadhitam tavanagha madbhakti hinaya sethaya natvaya datavya maindradapi rajyatodhikam. So this idam rahasyam, this secret hrudayam maya, my heart, mamatmano mayaiva sakshat kadhitam tava anagha, having told by me alone, tava anagha mad bhakti hinaya, one who is not devoted to me, sethaya, setha, who is just for the sake of debating. So the jadas, the sethas, natvaya datavyam, you should not give this knowledge to anyone. Indra tapi rajyato adhikam. So Indra rajyato adhikam, one who is even God's rajya is being given to you, even in exchange of God's rajya, this knowledge should not be given to somebody who is not devoted. Luckily, whoever follows me is all are devotees, so I don't have a problem to tell this here. So it cannot be taught to somebody bhakti vimukha or setha. So this is the end of 52nd sloka. Now Mahadeva Uvacha. We have only 4 more slokas, again giving the falasruti of understanding this highest philosophy of which has been told by Rama, Sita, Shiva in this story. Yetatte bhitam devi Sri Rama hrudayam maya ati guhyatamam hrudyam pavitram papasodhanam. So Shiva is telling to Parvati, Etat te, this one, to you, abhihitam devi Sri Rama hrudayam maya, I have told you, I have revealed this to you, which is known as Sri Rama hrudayam, by me revealed to you, ati guhyatamam hrudyam. This is so pleasant, wonderful. Hrudyam, it goes into the hearts to those people who are spiritually inclined to know my tattva. Hrudyam, pavitram papashodhanam. It is purifying. It is by itself, it is pure, and it is a purifier. Pavitram, it is by itself pavitram. And papashodhanam, it has the ability to cleanse the papas, cleanse the sins, cleanse the obstacles which are stopping one to realize that Aikya Jnana, which has been told of the 3 divisions, one who is thinking something. Pavitram papashodhanam. Sakshat Ramena kadhitam sarva Vedanta sangraham. This is told by Sakshat Rama. Shiva is telling, Vyasa is written this. So we shouldn't have any doubt about the authenticity of this scripture. Sakshat Ramena kadhitam sarva Vedanta sangraham. This is the condensed exposition of all the Vedantas, all the Upanishads, whatever Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, whatever is there, that the essence, Sarva Vedanta Sangraham, Yapathet Satatam Bhaktya Samukto Natra Samseyaha, one who reads this, Pathet, studies this, understands, with emotionally knowing this, understand this, Sabhavet samukto, he is already freed. Natra samsaya, in that there is no doubt. One who devotedly studies this itself, he is free. Brahmahatyadi papani, bhujanmarjitanyapi, nasyantyeva na sandeho ramasya vachanam yatha. So Brahmahatyadi papakas, pancha mahapatakas, bahujanmarjitanita. So one who has accumulated through bahujanmas, nasyanti eva na sandeho, they will definitely get demolished. Na sandeho, beyond all doubts, ramasya vachanam yatha, by the word of Rama himself. Yoti bhrashto tipapi paradhana paradareshu nityodyato vas teyi brahmagna mata pitruvadhanirato yogi vrundapakari yah sampujyabhiramam pathati cha hrudayam ramachandrasya bhaktya yogindrairapyalabhyam padamiha labhate sarvadevaihi sapujyam. This is the conclusion. So he lists all the papas. Atibhrashto atipapi. Atibhrashtaha, one who has fallen from all the duties. Atipapi cha, has performed all sorts of sins. Paradhana paradaryeshu nityodyato va, one who has coveted on others' wealth and women and everything. Steyi brahmagna, one who has stolen the money from others, killed people, anything. Pitruvadhar nirato yogi vrunda pakari, one who has caused a lot of damage to yogi brundas, one who are peaceful people, should not disturb them. So those yogi brunda apakaris, people who are living their own life, people will go on their own. Such thing is one of the mahapapas. Yap sampujyabhiramam pathati cha hrudayam, having performed the surrender, sampujya. Puja is worship, sampujya is with the great surrender bhava. Sampujya, thoroughly worshipping Ramam, pathati cha hrudayam, studies this hrudaya, Ramachandrasya bhaktya, hrudayam Ramachandrasya bhaktya by devotion, yogindrairapyalabhyam, those who are practicing yoga, hatha yoga kind of yogindrairapyalabhyam, padamiha labhate, they will reach such a state, padam, the state, such status, padamiha labhate, sarvadevaihi sapujyam. So worshipped by all the gods, all the divinities worship him. Such a place they will reach to. This is Srimad Adhyatma Ramayana Antargata Uma Maheshwara Samvada Balakanda Pradhama Sarga, known as Sri Rama Hrudayam. So my attempt of reading this 56 verses of Sri Rama Hrudayam has been successful by the grace of Gurus and God. So on this Sunday with Jyeshta Nakshatra in the month of Chaitra Masa Vasanta Rutu, we have just passed Ramanavami few days back. May the devotees get the spiritual power that is given in this Hridaya. By the grace of my Guru, I have been introduced to these three great works, Sri Ramayanam, Maharamayanam or Yoga Vasishta, Adhyatma Ramayanam, which will give the Rama Tattva in its purest essence. May one and all feel that peace and abhayam, arta vishannas chadilascha bhitaha ghoreshu cha vyadhishu vartamanaha sankirtya narayana sabdamatram vimukta dukkha sukhino bhavanti. In that way. And also Mahadeva says, Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Ramanama Varanane. So the Ramanama alone is equivalent of 1,000 names. So the effect of the spiritual and worldly benefits beyond one and all. Swasti.